ECHALLENGE Remanufactured 822XL 822XL ink cartridge replacement for Epson 822XL T822 ink cartridges. Package contents: 1x User Guide, 1x Black 822XL, 1x Cyan 822XL, 1x Magenta 822XL, 1x Yellow 822XL, total 4 cartridges. Page yield: 1100 pages for 822XL black ink cartridge, 1100 pages for 822XL color ink cartridge, at 5% coverage. Printer compatibility: Epson Workforce Pro WF4820 WF4820 WF4830 WF4833 WF4834 printer. Each of ECHALLENGE's 822XL 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 822 ink cartridges provides our customers with smooth high printing quality. Top reviews from the United States. ECHALLENGE Vivid Performance Remanufactured Epson 822XL ink. I wanted to write a review of remanufactured Epson 822XL ink by ECHALLENGE. The Epson printer I am using is my own new WF4830 Pro. The cartridges come in a little plastic stand which you can see in the picture, which is a nice little gesture of the company and very, very convenient while you are loading your printer. The cartridge was very easy to place in the printer, pull off the little tab and it clicks right in. There is a cleaner just in case you may have left some fingerprints on the contacts. My printer accepted the cartridge right away without any problems. To test the ink, I found a great color test page online, printed it, checked it for instant dryness, streaking, looks, etc. And scanned it with the same printer under glass, filed it and posted it right here. In my opinion, this ink is as good, if not better than the Epson ink that came with my new printer. This is a truthful report and review for your benefit. Thank you.